Alright everyone, so there's a few things that have happened since part 1. The Ryzen's finally come, so that's good. I mean, it came 2 days after part 1, so that's brilliant. It came 1 day early, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's a Ryzen 5 3600X. So the specifications of it is like 3.8 base and a 4.4 gigahertz 4.4 gigahertz boost clock, so it's good. 6 cores, 12 threads will be fine for me. So yeah, we're gonna crack on with the build now. As you can see, I've taken the motherboard out. First thing I want to do is put the RAM sticks in. Right, so the CPU and the RAM is now in. God, I am still very nervous. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. What I do, I'm getting stuck here. Right, so now I've got the CPU cooler on, and I'm gonna sneeze in a sec, but now I've got the CPU cooler on. It was spring loaded, so it started clicking, which I got a bit worried about, but it's fine. And you can't over tighten these screws either, they just stop turning once you screwed them in all the way. This cable's a bit annoying, but I don't really care, to be quite fair. So now I'm going to do the next step. Right guys, it's getting a bit too stressful to document now at this point, having to get the phone out because things are going a little bit wrong. But I'll try and deal with them, and once I've got the PC ready to start on, then I will start recording again. I'm pretty sure the computer is ready to be turned on now. It's looking pretty good at the moment, as you can see. I mean, the back end of it's pretty terrible, but meh. See, look, take a look inside. It's not too bad in there, but a few things did go wrong, but we'll see. We'll try and start it up now. Hold on a second. Nope. You may have noticed there's no graphics card in there, and if you know anything about the 3600X, you'll know that it needs a graphics card. So I'm going to shove the graphics card in now. I knew there was something missing. Right, so let's get the computer powered on. I guarantee, I'm about to test it here, I guarantee it won't post because I haven't got a bloody clue what I was doing. I mean, it looks good inside, but I don't really have high hopes for this. I don't believe in myself whatsoever. I think that's probably a very bad thing. Right, let's flip this switch. Bit concerning, nothing happens when I flip that switch. Oh. Okay, we got a bit of life. Right, now let's see if the front panel was done properly. Hey, it powers on. It's a lot of fan noise though. Oh, the fans are ramping up. Did you just turn off? This is a bit disconcerting, but we'll give it a second anyway. She posts! She posts! Ooh! And one sec. The RGB works and everything. Brilliant. It turns on like a normal computer. Oh. Spoke too soon. And it's got audio. 1080p, 60 Hz. Nice. Now let's get the drivers on. Look at that. Build's completely done. Look at that. It looks awesome. It looks awesome. My RGB build and everything. I've got those RGB sticks, then the H500i has those, and even with just them, it looks fine. I didn't even realise this thing lit up until I actually put it in the system. Not this system, but the one before I actually tested the card. I didn't even realise it lit up, so that's a bonus. But let's take off the plastic, because that's satisfying. Right, let's go. Oh, this is satisfying. I see what they mean now. Yo, why the flip is there fingerprints on it already? Yo, look at that. And then the last bit, this bit's a little bit less satisfying, I must admit. Now it's all sticking back on. There we go. Right, your purposeful life is now over. Look at that. Although the fans are a bit loud, but I think that's because it hasn't got the software on it yet. But no, this is awesome. Now all it needs is an AIO. And that'll look good. Yeah, let's check the manual for the NZXT H500i, shall we? Huh? Right, let's have a look. Right, this is it just going on and on about all its features. So you turn it round. Oh, would you look at that? Motherboard installation. It shows a motherboard being fucking descended into it. How is that a guide? How's that a guide? What does that mean? Look at that. Right, because I don't see two like that in the middle of the motherboard nowhere, so what the fuck is that? But then I see this down here, but I don't see no standoff for it there, which I assume is that. Then what the bloody hell is that? Because there's nothing above it. It's so confusing. It's stupid. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry that I didn't go into proper depth in building the PC. It's my first build and I really wanted it to go well, and I couldn't do that with recording 24/7 throughout building the PC. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so I'd appreciate it if you left a like and subscribed. But until the next video, I'll see you guys later.